The Cheyenne by Quantum Homes Incorporated. This spectacular ranch has a great room with vault ceiling, includes a living room with gas fireplace, dining room and large kitchen. The kitchen features attractive custom cabinetry, appliances, large island with seating area, walk-in pantry. This is a split bedroom floor plan featuring a spacious drop zone at garage entry door, private laundry room with utility sink, and half bath perfectly located at drop zone area. Master bedroom is spacious with walk-in closet. The stunning master bathroom has double bowl vanity, tub and separate shower and a water closet. There is a covered back patio for your outdoor enjoyment. The spacious 3-car garage is another reason you will love this home. Agent related to seller. This home is under